Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, the error you can see on the screen. If you are facing the same issue on HP laptop or system, so this video is for you. I will show you how to fix this boot device not found on HP laptop or system. So first of all guys, you need to shut down your laptop properly. So press the power button for almost 15 seconds. And once you shut down it completely, you need to turn it on and press the F10 key or the escape key on the laptop or system. So in my HP laptop I will press escape key continuously like this, and once I press escape key F10 key, you can see the BIOS setup directly. You can press also, so I will press F10 key as well. You can see here, and let me enter the password. So once you are on this screen, you need to use your right arrow key here, this arrow key, and you need to go to system configuration. And once you go to system configuration, you need to find out the boot options anyhow and press the enter key. And once you press here the enter key, you need to scroll down and look for the legacy support. There are two types of the BIOS. So once you find out the legacy support, you need to press enter key, and if it is disabled, you need to enable this and hit enter and select yes with the right arrow key and press enter key. So if legacy support was already enabled on your system, then you need to disable it. If it was disabled, then you need to enable it. And secure boot should be disabled if you have selected the legacy support. And also make sure the boot priority is on the top hard drive. So you can change its value from F6 and F5. So I will select notebook hard drive on the top with the F5. It's going down. With F6 it's going up. You can see here legacy boot is selected here now successfully. And you can see if you have selected the UE5 boot order here, make sure you selected same, and thereafter you need to press F10 key on your keyboard. Here is the F10 key, and press here yes. And once you press here yes, you need to exit out from your system settings, and now you will see this kind of window. So in order to complete the changes, you need to press 4396 on your keyboard. So 4396 and press the enter key. Now once I press the enter key, issue should be fixed now. Now you can see issue has been fixed, and I hope your issue is also resolved. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.